One of the features within any page setting is that of translate. You find it here in the tabs at the top. Here you will get access to the translations to the page, but before you click on this, I recommend that you first set up the translation for the entire site. That is done by going to Project Settings in the bottom left corner, and then from the tab you select Translate. Here I have already set up a translation from English to Afrikaans, and you can click on Manage to set that up. You will see Auto Translate is not activated here, and that's where we will go to the page to add those manual translations. If you do activate Auto Translation, you will find those translations already in the page, and then you can just switch it out for those that you feel need a little bit of tweaking. Now that you've set this up, go to your pages. We only have this one page, home page, select, click on Translate, and everything on that page, strings, will appear here where you can add your translations. If you had selected the auto translation, they will be here under Afrikaans. Type in the translation you want, and if you already have the auto translation, you can leave it or delete it and type in the translation you prefer. Once you've done that, remember to select Update at the bottom. At the top, you'll see also that you have a filter. Here you can choose the languages if you have a multilingual site, and you can show which translations if you only want this specific page, which is currently the home page, or if you have multi-pages, you can have them all in one place. Next to that, you select between the text strings or media images, and if you have a lot of content on your page, you will need to use the search box so you can easily find those that you want to update manually.